The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kern County Emergency Management. The United States Geological Survey has detected a 9.2 earthquake, shaking the entire state of California. In addition, there were also instances of reports came in from Washington and Oregon about a strong shaking. All residents are strongly advised to do the following: duck, drop and take cover. Hide underneath a table for something that can protect yourself from falling debris. If you feel the ground is shaking while walking, head towards to the nearest buildings and attempt to take cover. Repeating: duck, drop, and take cover. Take cover now. Repeating: take cover now.
Since around an hour ago, an earthquake occurred across the state of California, Oregon, and Washington. Countless of casualties and damage have been reported. The United States Geological Survey has stated that the next quake shaking will be around a moment.
The following message transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. Another shake is taking place across California, Oregon, and Washington. All buildings across the mentioned states are being reported to be in critical damage. Large cracks are being reported throughout mountains, flatlands, and several cities in California, Oregon, and Washington. There were also instance reports of a tsunami heading straight towards coastal cities in California, Oregon, and Washington. A mandatory evacuation for the coastal cities is now in effect. If you do not evacuate, you'll face certain death. Evacuation is strongly advised as the tsunami is moving faster at a high rate. Do not pick up your loved ones from school, hospitals, or nursing homes. These facilities have their own evacuation route. When you evacuate, tie a white towel to your mailbox. This will notify the authorities that you are aware of the situation. Take any supplies with you such as water, food, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. These stations will go off the air until further notice.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the United States Geological Survey. An earthquake causes extensive damage in the state of California, Oregon, and Washington. Several cities across the three states have been heavily damaged and destroyed. If you are still in California, Oregon, or Washington, you are advised to leave the states immediately until the earthquake is over. Evacuation routes are being set up for people who are in California, Washington, and Oregon. Do not return to California, Oregon, and Washington until the earthquake has stopped. However, tsunami has also caused major floodings in all coastal cities in California, Oregon, and Washington, which it's going to take a while for the waters to go back to the ocean. This message will repeat about an hour.